Hi everyone, welcome. This is StardustLV and hope you guys are well. Today we're going to do a triple unboxing from Louis Vuitton, and two items are from the Murakami line. I went to Louis Vuitton store at Kansai Airport when we visited Japan. I'm looking for the scarf and end up with two Murakami items as well. And this is the first item. My family really enjoyed our trip to Japan. We went to Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. And this item is pretty small, and I didn't even have any plans on getting this. However, since it's from the Murakami line, I wasn't able to resist it. And this is this. It's a Rosali wallet. Very, very pretty, guys. And I am so happy that I was able to snag this wallet. I don't need another wallet. My husband just got me a wallet that I've been using, and this is it. And this is the card holder that I'm enjoying right now. But it's just too hard to pass on this. And inside, my SA stamped this exclusive stamp just for the airport, Louis Vuitton. It's a Kansai airport, and put my initials here. And there's like a one slot here at the back, or two, I should say, 1 and 2. And then here you can put your bills, or a key fob, I think, small key fob. And then there's another slot here at the back, and also a zipper compartment for the coins. So this is a pretty decent wallet. I'm happy with it. It's nice to be able to have a Rosali wallet from the Murakami collection. And let's open the second item. So the second item is this, and I am happy that my SA gave me all of this holiday packaging, which is so pretty. I have to hand carry it on the plane so it will not get crumpled. And this is the original item that I went in the store. The ribbon is also from the holiday packaging, which is so pretty. And this is it, guys. So I waited to unbox this here in the States since I want this to open it with you guys. And this is a scarf from the men's collection. And it is so pretty, guys. It's like gray and then blue on the other side. Blue is my favorite color. I was debating to get the beige one from the women's collection. However, when I saw this, it is so lovely. By the way, for the pricing, there's really a difference when it comes to price. I saw online that Japan is cheaper than buying in Europe, and the price on this scarf is 70,000 yen, which is 443.16 US dollars. Here in the US, this is 620 US dollars. So it's like close to $200 savings, and this has no tax. This is tax free. For the Rosali wallet, it's the same price. It's 525.64 or 83,000 yen. In Japan, here in the US, it's 525. So Japan is more by 64 cents. So this is the scarf. It's made of wool, according to my SA. And this is from men's collection, as I've said. And I really like it. It's thick, and when you put it on, it looks like this. I like that it's reversible. So it looks like this on. It's very pretty. I tried on the beige one from the women's collection, and it also has this ruffles, and I really love it. The only difference that I chose this finally for this one is the LV pattern is smaller than that of the beige one. However, I'm still thinking about that beige color. Maybe soon I will go back and get it, but for now I'm happy with this. It has Louis Vuitton here, the Paris here at the back, and reverse side is looking like this, which the Louis Vuitton is also on the right pattern if you read it. And if I'm gonna put it on, showing the gray side, let me see if I can do it. My voice is kind of weird because I had a flu when I got back from the US. So currently I'm on steroids just to help me with it. So anyways, this is what it looks like if it's on the gray side. And I bought this Japan shirt at Don Quixote, which I'm happy about. I still have the Japan fever with me right now. We really had fun. So this is the scarf. And the last item is a purse. And this is it, guys. When it came out, when Murakami line came out, I was looking at this purse and I would want to buy one. However, there's none online and there's none in the store as well. I think the US customers are very excited that up to now I cannot still find this kind of purse. And let's open it. I'm so excited. I was so happy when I saw it at the store, and I'm like, oh my god, what is it doing in here? It's like in the US it's always out of stock, and I was told by the SA that there's only 10 currently in Japan. So I was able to get one, which I'm happy. And I have not seen this kind of box, guys. So see, I don't know if right now this is the new box. So it's like when you open it, it clicks, and I like this one which has the star in there. So this is the purse, guys, and this is the Murakami pochette accessories. I am so excited. It looks like this. It looks perfect, and this is made in France. Wow. It looks so perfect, and when you open it, there's like two straps here, and also this. So let's put it on. This is just exciting. My husband gifted me the wallet and the scarf, and this one is a gift for myself, from me to me for Christmas. And it looks like this. It's been a while since I got any purse from Louis Vuitton, and I think 2 years. 2 years I haven't bought any, and I am just happy that I waited, though this is unplanned, but it's something for me to remember on my trip to Japan that I got this. The SA are so lovely. They are very kind and helpful and patient. Like, you don't really feel like you have to buy anything. They are so respectful, I should say. Very kind. Very nice ladies. I even have my picture taken from her. Of course, I asked her permission, and I put in my Instagram account. Please check my Instagram, StardustLV, and you'll see things that I posted there using my purses. And this is it, guys. If you will put the two straps on, so you can use it like this, or you can also attach this here. There's another like ring here, I think, for the key fob if you want to put a keychain in here. and it marks here, they stamp here Louis Vuitton, and also here they stamped it all Louis Vuitton in here, which is a nice nice details. They don't have to, but it has a stamp there, and it looks like this here, like this. I can put it here. I don't know if I'll put both of the straps. We'll see. And this one still has the plastic on. Let us try to take it. Well, it seems like it's hard to take the plastic. I have a monogram pochette accessories before they raised the price, and I got this for 500 something. I got this for 500 something, but now it's like 1,000 with the added chain. So together it looks like this. So the strap on this is longer here, longer than the Murakami one. And you can also interchange the strap if you would want it, if you have a pochette accessories, but it has the same size, and together they look like this. I'm gonna put this down like this and this. I have a Felici chain, which I'm gonna try on this purse. I cannot find it at the moment, but this is what it looks like side by side. Very, very nice and pretty. I'm so happy with it. What do you think of this, guys? This is such a nice piece, and it's a collector piece, which is an added bonus. The price on this here is, so the price here in the US is 2,140 USD. In Japan, I bought this for 320,000 yen. So in dollars, it's 2,026 and 27 cents. So in the US, it's 110 more plus tax. So it's really way cheaper in Japan. And there's still some Murakami items in there that I saw. However, I like this better since it's smaller and it's printed. So yeah, I'm happy with this little purse. It's so cute. Thank you guys for watching. Stay safe, and may all of you have a wonderful day. And please don't forget to hit like and subscribe. So I will see you again soon. Bye.